Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make WhatsApp group link. A WhatsApp group is a feature of WhatsApp messaging app that allows multiple users to communicate with each other in a shared chat environment. WhatsApp groups can be created by anyone who has the app installed on their device, and they are particularly useful for groups of people who want to stay in touch, collaborate on projects, or share information. To create a WhatsApp group link, follow these simple steps. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Tap on the Chats tab in the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the New Group button on the top. Select the contacts you want to add to the group by tapping on their name. Tap on the green checkmark button in the bottom right corner to create the group. Type in the subject of your group and upload any profile picture if you want to. Press the check button to create the group. Once the group is created, tap on the group name at the top of the chat window. Scroll down to the participants section and hit the invite via link. A pop-up will appear with the options to send link via WhatsApp or copy the link. Choose the option you prefer and share the link with people you want to invite to the group. That's it. The people you share the link with can simply tap on it and join the group. Note that only group administrators have the ability to generate and share the group invitation links. If you are not an group admin, you will need to ask an existing admin to share the link with you or make you an admin so that you can generate the link yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.